The secret ingredient in our fried rice recipe today isn't just the spices or the love we put into cooking it, but the story behind it. You see, I remembered my actions few days ago and I realized that the key to a happy relationship is selflessness. It's about putting your partner's needs before your own, even when it comes to something as simple as food. Yeah, you heard that right. Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen, Dense Kitchen, where flavor and wellness meet. Let's look at what the Bible has to say about love. Love is patient, love is kind. It does not envy, it does not boast. It is not proud. First Corinthians 13 verse 4. These words from the Bible have stuck with me for a long time, and I've come to realize that they are not just about romantic love, but about the kind of love that makes relationships work. As I reflect on my journey with my husband, I realize that selflessness has been a key ingredient in our relationship. It's about putting each other's needs before our own, even when it's very difficult. Trust me. I remember the time that few days ago, I cooked beans, porridge beans and dried fish. If you know me, you know I like dried fish. I enjoy dried fish in my beans. In fact, anything fish can go. And I was so careful not to dish out too much dried fish for myself. In fact, I had to remove a few from my plate. I wanted my husband to have the lion's share. I just wanted to see him enjoy that plate full of beans and most especially dried fish. It may seem small, but it made me happy to see him happy. That's what love is all about. Putting others first, being sacrificial and sharing in love. As the Bible says, love does not seek its own interest. It's about seeking the best for others, even when it's not convenient. Imagine having to dish a lesser portion of dried fish just so my husband can have enough. That's selflessness. Although I'm not saying you shouldn't enjoy yourself, but then I enjoy seeing my husband happy, and I know him having enough dried fish even without his knowledge. In fact, he's not aware such a thing happened. I just enjoy seeing him happy. So quickly, let me tell you about the special salad. It is special because I added boiled sweet potatoes to it, and as you can see, I shredded it the same way you shred carrots. This gives it a touch of wellness. It adds sweetness to it and what have you. So back to our story. As I look back on our journey, I realized that it's the little things that matters. That small act of kindness, the sacrifices we make for each other, these are the things that build a strong foundation of love. So let's strive to be more selfless in our relationships. Let's prioritize each other's needs and show love that's patient, kind, and sacrificial. Let's love each other like we love ourselves. Mind you, I know you would want to have the lion's share too. So why not give someone else that share? So let's love each other like we love ourselves and watch our relationships flourish. From our video, you can see how generous I am with Dense Kitchen spices. I use Dense Kitchen all-purpose spice, Dense Kitchen chicken sazon, Dense Kitchen ginger, garlic and onion mix, and seasoning cube. So now you want to fry the liver, ensure it's dry. Then you put that aside or just pour in your veggies. So I added my veggies enough to give this fried rice a rich vibe. This fried rice will go for Easter, it will go for Christmas celebration. If you intend hosting your in-laws, this is the perfect recipe to serve them. So you want to be careful with salt at this point since your rice is already seasoned. So I added the sweet corn and spring onion last, just so it doesn't overcook. Now we want to set this aside and fry the rice properly, just like the name, fried rice. So to a pan, you add a portion of veggies, add your already cooked rice and stir fry for 5 minutes. Please ensure you fry this very well. Most people complain of their fried rice going bad quickly, but once you fry your rice well and use enough spring onion, trust me, it can last for days. So you want to repeat the process till you exhaust the rice in your pot and veggies. See how colorful this rice looks? I added dense kitchen fried rice spice to give it this extra color, as you can see, and it's 100% natural, made from aromatic herbs and spices, 100% natural. So you want to give it a try. For our salad, I used Bama mayonnaise, some soy sweet chili. You can add dark soy sauce if you have. I also added honey. I don't miss honey in my salad, like I don't skip that step. So now you want to add up your veggies and mix properly. As we plate our fried rice, I want you to imagine serving this to your loved ones. Think about the smile on their faces, the joy in their eyes, and the love in their hearts. That's what cooking is all about, sharing love and making memories. Thanks for watching this video. Do well to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comment section. Bye.